Hi there, our topic for today is risk profiling. When rendering investment advice, legislation prescribes that advisors obtain information from their clients. Information regarding the client's needs and objectives, financial situation, risk profile, financial product knowledge and experience. Typical client information will be personal information like age and marital status, financial situation like current income, assets and liabilities, investment goals, short and long-term financial goals such as retirement, buying a home or education funding, and then investment horizon, the time frame for achieving these goals, for example 5 or 10 years. So a risk profile is mentioned in the General Code of Conduct. But what is a risk profile? It is not defined in our legislation. Risk profiling has been a topic of debate over the past years. Consensus is that risk profiling is a process for finding the optimal level of investment risk of your client, considering how much risk the client is comfortable taking. These often include questions about investment preferences, reaction to market volatility, or past investment experiences. Secondly, the client's financial ability to absorb losses. This involves looking at their financial stability, liquidity needs, and how much they can afford to lose without impacting their lifestyle or financial goals. And then thirdly, the risk required to achieve the client's goals. I think what is important is that your financial planner should do a thorough suitability analysis and that a risk profile should be included in this exercise. It is also essential that your advisor do regular reviews with you to ensure your investment strategy remains aligned with your changing financial situation, goals and risk tolerance. Thank you for listening.